So right here we have our table of fresh Sri Lankan vegetables,
Right.
and the fish that we caught in the morning.
In the morning, yeah.
Yes, so this is going to be our dinner. These are all the preparations. Right here is the table. So we'll take a look at each of these ingredients now. Right here we have fresh the Sri Lankan greens. Different varieties of Sri Lankan greens in there. It's very healthy for you. And then if you move on to the other one, then we have the keselmua, the one that you saw that's been cut in the morning. That's the keselmua.
Yeah.
And then of course we have here the fish, the freshly caught fish, and from still fishing in the morning,
Yeah.
the morning's fresh catch. Right here it's a classic Sri Lankan food. It's the curran beans. And then right here we have the sorua. This is what you call sorua, the one I showed you before. That's full of the stem of the banana flower and then the green papaya. And then here we have again kohila, what I showed you earlier. So all these different varieties we'll be using for the dinner. Also, if you come here, we have the tibbatu. This is what you call tibbatu. It's small, but it's very tasty. And then of course we have here the breadfruit, right? That's a big one. And of course a Sri Lankan tradition, the manioc. Of course after that we have to talk about the spices as well. So all of these, what you see here, the tomatoes, the green chili, the onions, the garlic, the curry leaves, this all gets mixed together and small quantities of this gets added to each and every curry. That's what makes the Sri Lankan spiciness come alive. Well, those are the ingredients. Now all we have to do is enjoy our dinner.